Hey guys, how's it going today? This is a review for the BioBidet Discovery DLS Bidet seat. I hadn't seen too many reviews on this, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents based on my experience and let you know what I thought about it. This was purchased to replace a USPA A7 that broke after 8 to 9 years. The BioBidet is an update to that product after the company was acquired by Bemis. They fixed a couple issues with the original product, including high vampire drain for water heating, and introduced one with an undocumented fix. Both products do the intended function well. Energy efficiency leads the list of improvements. By replacing constant on water heating with a powerful on-demand system, the BioBidet draws less than 1 watt of power with its seat heater off and lights off, and around 1 watt with the night light activated. That works out to about 7 or 8 kilowatt hours per year, dramatically lower than before. Gone is the vampire drain that kept a reservoir of warm water ready at all times. Instead, the heater springs to life the moment water flow begins, quickly bringing water to temperature without wasting energy in standby mode. Controls have also been simplified with a single, intuitive rotary knob. A gentle forward turn activates the front wash stream, while a backward turn engages the rear spray. This change eliminates the confusion of multiple buttons or remotes and ensures you can adjust settings by feel alone, even in the dark. The tactile feedback makes it easy to select the right wash without fumbling. Structural improvements address durability concerns. The predecessor cautioned against standing or sitting on the closed lid, but this new model comfortably supports a 200-pound individual. That extra stability means you can perch on the seat to put on socks or shoes without worrying about cracks or slips. Of course, safe practices still discourage standing on the toilet, but the peace of mind this upgrade provides is welcome. A mechanical handle replaces electronic remotes and membrane buttons, offering reliable, straightforward operation. Your fingers learn the handle's motion quickly, so even in the middle of the night, you can activate the spray without switching on the lights. The simplicity of the lever design shows that sometimes the best innovations are the ones that make life easier without adding complexity. On the downside, the heated seat feature consumes about 10 watts on average, translating to roughly 80 kilowatt hours per year, enough electricity to power an electric car for about 300 miles. If you rely on the warmth to avoid the shock of a cold seat and find that you can lower your home thermostat by a degree or two, the energy trade-off may be acceptable. Otherwise, you might choose to keep the seat heater off for most of the time. Another minor annoyance is the default double beep when the seat sensor detects weight. While it's meant to confirm sensor activation, the beeps can startle both you and anyone else in the house, especially during late-night visits. Fortunately, disabling the beep takes only a 2-second press and hold of the seat heat button, followed by 2 confirmation beeps. After that, the unit remains silent until you reset the power or repeat the process. You may notice a brief burst of cool water about a quarter second before the heater reaches set temperature. This initial chill is far preferable to a constant energy draw, but it does introduce a slight temperature lag. A clever workaround in future models would be to preheat a small amount of water during the rinse cycle just before flow begins, eliminating that momentary cool splash without increasing standby consumption. Installation is straightforward, but leak-proofing demands careful attention. Every connection, from the shutoff valve to the tank base, through the T-connector, and down the bidet hose, must be perfectly sealed. After tightening each fitting, wipe the area with a dry paper towel. If any moisture transfers to the towel, give the joint another quarter turn until the towel remains completely dry. This simple check ensures reliable, drip-free operation. You'll also appreciate the absence of a built-in air dryer. Considering recent research on aerosolized particles from hand dryers, skipping the blower here may actually improve hygiene. Instead, a few sheets of single-ply toilet paper, about 4, provide an effective, low-tech drying option without generating unwanted plumes. In every detail, the BioBidet washlet builds on the legacy of the USPA A7. cutting energy waste, simplifying user interaction, and reinforcing everyday durability. It may not be perfect, but it strikes a thoughtful balance between comfort, convenience, and efficiency. Whether you're upgrading from an older model or exploring bidet seats for the first time, this could be the washlet you've been waiting for.